So hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my tech channel, Tech Clutch over here. So I have not been uploading many videos right now because my exams have started and I couldn't upload many videos. So I need to manage both of them and you guys have to cooperate with me. So to compensate that, I've brought a new phone unboxing video right here. It's called the Samsung M11 3GB RAM phone. So I'll be speaking about the specs and I'll be unboxing. So the unboxing will be the first and the tech and the specification reviews will be in the afterwards. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So guys, right here I have the Samsung M11 4GB RAM specification. So it's the 4GB RAM edition and its OS is Android of course, and the dimensions are 16.1 into 0.9 into 7.6 and it's 168 grams with one lithium ion batteries, and its model number is SM11FMBAINS. So all these things which I'm telling right now will be on your screen, and the special things about this is actually its camera. Its camera is pretty nice. Not actually its camera, but it's actually its battery. Camera is aside because when I tested it out, it was more than, the battery package is more than my Samsung A50, which costed me 26k, but this costed just 12k. But it has more battery power. That's the only thing good about this phone. So my camera is way better than this. I don't know why, but yeah, because its battery power is more, but I don't know why the camera is too less on this phone. And they don't give you any earphones in this also, and they don't even give you a back cover like they did give me in Samsung A15. So that's a no-go for this phone. So here is the travel adapter over here. The specifications will be on the screen right now. So let's continue the unboxing. So the only thing I don't like is they didn't give a temporary back cover, which is invisible one at the back. They should have given, I think, and it's the SIM card remover, and it's not a hybrid slot. There are two kinds of hybrid slot where you can even put a SIM card and a SD card in one slot, but this is another called hybrid card where there are not two slots, there's one slot, but inside one slot it can contain one SD card and two SIMs. So it's like that. And the charging is pretty fast, it's pretty smooth and more like any other phones. It is fast and it has a AMOLED display, and the resolution is 1720 into 1520p, and the version which I got here is 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, and metallic blue. Yeah, that's it. And let's go to the phone right now. So guys, this is the first time rebooting this phone right here. I like the sleek design of it. The metallic blue really gives it that matte finish, that thing, that gloss of the phone. That's the only thing. And the camera is present on the left top side. It's not present in the center. It's Infinity O display, but instead of in the center, they have given it in the left. So let's boot this phone and let's check it out. Let's check its features. So guys, right here I have rebooted the phone, not rebooted, like booted the phone for the first time, and let's see, it's pretty smooth, but it hasn't had even a screen guard yet, so it's feeling stucky. My fingers getting stuck in between though. So let's see the settings. Let's go to about phone right here, and in about phone it's pretty much the same, and it's Android 10 by the way. So you guys have inbuilt screen recording, and let's switch it to dark mode. There is dark mode, I think, so let's switch to that afterwards, but let's see the phone, and I'll say you guys the specifications right now. So guys, the specifications are on the screen right now. It's gonna be boring if I keep seeing it, so this is it guys. This was the unboxing and the review, and I'll say you guys the review after 30 days or after 2 weeks of the using the phone. So until then, keep rocking.